is not power that makes a vacuum cleaner perform well. The EU will now require that all vacuum cleaners clean well and at the same time avoid wasting electricity. This will ensure quality, help consumers save money, and make Europe as a whole use less energy.
There are 90 manufacturers. There are 900 bag designs. All we need is standard bags and a standard nozzle. There is nothing wrong with this vacuum cleaner. The problem is that I cannot find a bag. Should we throw away our vacuum cleaners after a while? No, all vacuum cleaners should have a standard nozzle to fit a few standard bags.